Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome to Aroma Talks. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own body cream. It's very easy, simple and cost effective, and you can make this at home. It's really good for your body, for your hands and feet. So are you ready? But before we get started, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click that notification bar so that every time I upload a video, you don't miss out. And without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So to make the cream light, I'm using aloe vera gel as my basic ingredient. Not only is this gel great for moisturizer, but also treats acne, sunburns, and fights aging. Then my next ingredient I'm using is rice bran oil, mainly because it's bright, but you can substitute it with any other carrier oil of your choice. And my final ingredient I'm using here is beeswax, which acts as emulsion thickener. And I'm going with a yellow beeswax, but you can use white if you have white, it's also okay. And then I have my mixing bowl right here. So start by measuring your wax in a bowl. And today I'm gonna go with 1 cup of my beeswax. But it depends on how much you wanna make, the quantity that you want to make. And I'm gonna add half a cup of my rice bran oil. Now heat this mixture using a double boiler method. So keep stirring it to make sure that your wax is completely dissolved. As you can see, we're almost there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the stove and set it aside for it to cool down. In a few minutes, the wax will start settling as shown here. And this is the right time to add in your measured gel. And with the help of a hand blender, bring everything together. It will take a minute or two before you notice the cream takes form. Till then, just keep mixing, then keep mixing until a smooth, uniform cream is formed, as shown here. If you prefer, now will be a good time to add essential oil. I have used grapefruit essential oil today. Just a few drops will do. Give it one last stir and then we are done. This is how it looks. Finally, you have your cream right here. Simple, easy to make, and cost effective. It feels good. So the question is how long it will last, the shelf life. Well, I haven't used any stabilizers, so it will go bad eventually in a couple of weeks. So it's better you make your small batches, each lasting 2-3 weeks, and store your cream in cool, dark places. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, guys. For more DIY recipes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching.